In Pakistan, the most popular leader, Imran Khan, has been in jail now for last.
Could you introduce yourself too? First time seeing you. Jaleel. Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you, Tammy. In Pakistan, the most popular leader with a majority number of seats in the parliament, Imran Khan, and the biggest charity collector as well, has been languishing in jail since last 2 years. And in 2 years, everything in the country, whether it is the democracy, whether it is the women's rights, everything has been shattered since last 2 years. President Trump was talking a lot about Pakistan before the elections, and thousands of his new voters in the US and millions of Pakistanis are expecting him to take some sort of action with regard to that country. Do you have anything in mind or have heard anything the president said?
Well, what I can tell you, as I've just noted about Turkey, is I'm not going to comment on the internal frameworks of another country. I do know that, what's it been, 8 weeks? President Trump's been here 8 weeks?
Yes.
And it's a lot's going on, right? Regarding his intentions and actions, you can reach out to the White House, but I do think that President Trump has made it clear that, as has Secretary Rubio, that we care about the planet, we care about our neighbors, we care about what's happening on the globe, and that's been evidenced by our actions. So, thank you, sir.